Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some crazy traffic incidents where one split second can change everything. Remember, every move you make on the road counts. Being careful could literally save your life. Let's check it out and learn a thing or two along the way. This isn't the safest way to get around, especially when things go wrong. Luckily, no one was seriously hurt, but it's a good reminder to always prioritize safety. The idea of a mini concrete mixer truck is great, but it comes with a lot of potential risks. The ambulance hit the sidewalk and crashed into a light pole, but luckily, pedestrians managed to avoid it and no one was hurt. A Jeep towed a BMW for stealing a parking spot. This incident reminds us how important it is to respect other people's space and rights. A bus was swallowed by a giant hole. The bus was badly damaged, but luckily no one was hurt. Not only will you get fined for driving the wrong way, but the driver could also face criminal charges like assault and disturbing the peace. Don't act like that. driver will definitely lose their license for that mistake. Luckily, no vehicles were nearby at the time. A small truck suddenly lost control and crashed into a man. Thankfully, he only suffered minor injuries. I bet he skipped the safety class when driving downhill. Make sure to plan your route carefully to avoid accidents. He was like a hero with superpowers, moving the container truck with his bare hands to clear the way for the oncoming truck. Is this also a way to practice patience?
No, really.
Let me know what you think. Be careful on tight turns. Thanks to quick reflexes, the guy jumped out just before the car went into the ditch. In his rush to take his wife to the hospital, the driver totally forgot her at home. Can you come up with a solution to stop this excavator safely? I'll pass it along to the right people.
Bro, there's an electric car. Look, you've got an electric car, mate.
It's electric, it don't take petrol.
It's not easy to break the habit of pulling into a gas station to fuel up your car.
Mate, I reckon. Go, 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 go.
That's exactly what a Tesla Model Y owner
The
would
car's
experience.
electric. It's an electric car. You didn't put petrol in it. You put charge. You charge it.
And then she's going, oh yeah, like...
Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We're committed to bringing you even better and more exciting content. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.